I'm Alex Farah, and this is the Faracom YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over a common issue with the PPS software where when you first plug in the pager is not detected. In order to resolve this issue, you'll want to go back to where you downloaded the PPS software from. Underneath there, you'll see Download the Driver. You'll click Download the Driver, which will open up the Dropbox, and then from the Dropbox, you'll click Download. You'll then see that it'll download. You can then open up the file, extract, and then it will open up another file for you to go ahead and extract again. And then once that is opened up, you'll be able to go in, double click the Unication driver setup, click more info, run anyway, yes, next, and then finish. From there, you'll be able to go back into PPS and almost immediately you'll be able to see the device connected. And then you can see my pager right there. Thank you everyone for watching, and as always, feel free to ask any questions down in the comments below or recommend future topics by visiting our website at faracom.com. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the